Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Fitbit Versa 4. First, ensure your device is fully charged, which typically takes about 1 to 2 hours. Next, download the Fitbit application to your smartphone and create a new account or login. Then, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Versa 4 using Bluetooth. Finally, personalize your watch face and adjust settings like alarms and goals directly from the app. Your Versa 4 is an excellent tool for monitoring your health and fitness. It automatically tracks your daily steps, distance covered, and calories burned, providing a clear overview of your activity. You can also continuously monitor your heart rate, helping you understand your cardiovascular health. Furthermore, the device records your sleep stages, giving you a personalized sleep score each morning. For outdoor workouts, the built-in GPS accurately maps your routes and pace. The Versa 4 offers convenient smart features to keep you connected. You can receive call, text, and app notifications directly on your wrist, so you never miss an important update. Explore a variety of useful applications for things like checking the weather or setting timers. With Fitbit Pay, you can make secure, contactless payments at compatible stores. Plus, easily control your music playback from your paired smartphone without reaching for your phone. To ensure your Fitbit Versa 4 lasts, proper charging and care are essential. A full charge provides up to 6 days of battery life, so plan to charge it about once a week. Regularly clean your device and band with a soft, damp, lint-free cloth to prevent skin irritation and maintain its appearance. Always avoid exposing your Versa 4 to extreme heat or cold. Before charging, always ensure the charging contacts on both the device and cable are completely dry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.